Hi again, guys. So here we are doing a fleet racing championship helper video to make you understand the discard type. So how can you edit, how can you set it, and what are they? In the discard type, you can go by overall, so you'll pick the worst results of every step and take them out if there's a case. So let's go with overall first, so you can understand, and I will place you can scroll or press overall races to discard. And in this case is from 2 discard 1. Okay, already said, but you can always edit or delete it. You can set multiple, like from 2 discard 1 and from 5 discard 2. You can edit as many as like the system will detect and will apply the current one. So if you had 5 races, you will discard 2. If you have 4, obviously you will discard only 1. So continue this trend. I will show you the event page and help you understand. So it's discarding the worst result from every skipper in an overall series. But imagine you add another step like a finals or a different qualification phase, and you don't want to, you have discards by step. You have discards for the first step and discards for the second. What you can do is go back to your championship, enter the sailing class, and right here enable step-by-step discards. So the overall discard will be unset, and what you can do in every step, you have some bullets right here that has some odd functions. In this case, the relevant one is manage races to discard in this step 1. Obviously, if there's a step 2, it'll be step 2. Let's go, and I already said it, but I will delete it so you can understand. From 2 races, discard 1. Okay, and inside this step, it will be discarding 1 race from 2. Okay, if you want to apply more step-by-step races to discard, you can by 2 1, and by 5 discard 2, whatever you want, you can do it. If you have any doubts on making discards, please contact us at ProRegatta. Goodbye.